Whirling leaves, we're going to be placing our left hand on A, D, and E. This is not a new note, but normally you would notice right hand playing this E. And on the music, this note here has two whisker lines, meaning it will be played by left hand. We also know that when the stem points down here. So let left hand play it. When you're ready at home, add on the pedal so that it sounds extra nice. Let's go. Octave higher. Look at our left hand first. 5 onto A, D, and E. The rhythm is going to be running walk, or down and up, down and up. So my wrist is going to go down, down and up, down and up. Keep going. Down and up, down and up. Same rhythm, but let's go the opposite way. Down and up. Down. Backwards. And hold 1 and 5. Right hand, let's start right here. 4 is going to be on D, not the middle D, but the treble D. Hold the 4 down. Then the sharp.